Hello, I'm Janet Rice, former Senator in the Australian Parliament. And I know firsthand the power of people working together to achieve change. Today, I'm asking you to join us to call for hands off Tibet's land and to stop the development of a massive hydro dam in Eastern Tibet. This is a matter of sovereignty. This dam would flood entire villages, would force at least 4,000 people from their homes, and would destroy 6 centuries old Buddhist monasteries. Over 1,000 Tibetans were arrested earlier this year for peacefully protesting against this dam. The dam would be built by China Huadian, a huge Chinese government-owned power company. It would use Tibet's waters to generate power for Chinese cities. This Kamtok Dam and other massive development projects have been forced on the Tibetan peoples against their wishes. But we can do something powerful to stop this dam. China Huadian Power's subsidiary, Huadian Power International, is listed on international stock exchanges. That means that global companies and global investors are directly associated in and have shares in China Huadian. So Tibet campaigners have put a petition together to call on these global investors, including Siemens Energies, to divest from China Huadian. Western companies cutting their ties with China Huadian would strike a massive blow at the Chinese government's planned development across Tibet. The UN are backing us. They recently wrote to the Chinese government expressing their concerns about the dam. But it's going to be people power that stops this dam. So please sign the petition and join with us to stop the Kamtok Dam and hands off Tibet's land.